Hey guys, it's Sean here. I just want to give you a little tip. I don't know how much of a tip this is, but anyway. One of the ways you can do is do a painting demo. So as you see here, what I've done is I got kind of a little tripod set up there. You can use this really nice setup here where you got kind of this flexible system, so you can kind of adjust it as you have to. And then what you'll do is you can introduce the video. Say what you're kind of going to do, and then shoot the video. Make sure that the rest of the part's probably time lapse. You can shoot it slow time if you want, but the trend right now is really, I think, time lapse. So people don't have a lot of time. So if they see a time lapse, they can see the whole painting. They don't have to waste 10 minutes seeing it. They can just kind of zip through it. But yeah, you can do it slow if you want to. It just depends on your style. And I think that gives you a little bit more. It gives you really good marketing material as well. So ideally, you would do it for every single painting you paint. That is asking a lot, but according to YouTube, these just kind of stack. So the more videos you put out there, the more you're going to get marketing, and the easier it is going to sell. So you're just going to help yourself. And these are, since it is YouTube, it's a permanent record. So this will allow you to, just keep building on your marketing and really take it to the next level and sell as many paintings as possible. All right, good luck, guys.